Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I've got the Love Notes palette by Beauty Bay. I am very excited about this one, so let's get started. So I started off with putting my hair up because it's so warm in here. So this is to prevent that I'm getting it too warm. But let's get started with this beautiful palette. Purple is my favorite color. It's a royal color, so it doesn't say anything about me because I'm not royal at all. There are 20 colors in this palette. We've got nudes, purples and pinks and some shimmers also in the nude, pink and purple range. I am starting with the color Cotton. That is a very light base color and I am putting that here for the transition color. And because purple is my favorite color, I am going to use purple today with some brown. Okay, so this color is really a transition color because it doesn't show that much. Put it in the inner corner here. That is giving a little bit of a highlight to your inner corner to open it up more. So that was the color Cotton. Now I am switching to the color Soap. Soap is a light lavender color. There is also a lavender color in this palette. Okay, I am mixing it up a little bit with a Cotton in my inner corner. And I am just stamping that on. Because it's a light pastel color, I am impressed with the amount of show up there is, because normally with pastel colors it is drama for me. I don't like pastel colors to work with. Let me see. No, there is no fallout on this point. It is very light, so it is still very romantic on this part. So we're on the right way. Then we got that color Lavender that I'm going to use, and that is going in the middle part because I like to blend everything in together. And then we've got Lilac, and that's coming in here. And just make stamping motions so that the pigment is everywhere you want. And then I like to blend this all together a little bit. So the pigmentation is there, especially for light colors like this. I am impressed because light colors normally doesn't do it for me. So it is all very light. It is noticeable, but it's still not there like ooh, boom. That's what I like. We're going further with the color Glove. That is a very dark purple. And don't forget, purple is a very difficult color to make, so I think they did a great job. It's going into my crease. It is very blendable, these colors. They are very blendable. I like that. And the pigmentation payoff is really good. I'm going in with the Mahogany color. That's a very dark brown. I'm just concentrating that here on the outer corner. Blend it with the purple in the crease. Just stay below that. Mahogany is very pretty. The color payoff is there, but if you blend too long, it is gone. And that is also to say for this inner corner. It is almost gone. So, but it gives me an opportunity to do something else because I didn't like it anyway. What I did there. I love how well the purple and the mahogany are playing together. And then I am taking a little bit of that very first color Cotton and just blend that edge out. I'm going back in with that color Soap here to recreate it a little bit more. Something like this. Just clean that edge up. Okay, I am going in with Princess. Because you know, I'm a little princess. And I am just going to see where the brush is taking me. If it is okay, or do I have to do it by finger? Because I don't like to do it by finger. There's one reason why I don't like to do it by finger, because my fingers are very white. Big fingers. But the finger is better. It's a gorgeous shimmer. You can see it is a metallic-y blue purplish shimmer. This is a big yes for me. I like that shimmer. I don't like it, but I love the shimmer. For the under eye, I am going in with the color Ruby, because this color really was calling my name and said pick me, so I will. This is so stunning. I like this color. Okay, the pigmentation is really nice of this palette. This is my second palette that I own by Beauty Bay. The first one is that in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. That is the first one that I picked up. This is the second, and I am really impressed. Yeah, that's a whole lot better. This is taking it to the next level, I think, because the other thing didn't look that correct to me. So, and that's the fun of makeup, right? If you don't feel it, just do something different until you think, yeah, this is it. This is where I'm going for. So that is the thing that I reached just now. I really like this look. I really like this palette. This palette is really gorgeous. Love notes. This is something that I would wear more often, and there are colors in this palette that you can really make a neutral nude look with, and a very romantic look with the pinks. A little bit of the purple back here. I was missing something. Just there. And just there. Just to bring some balance back in this look. So this is the end result of the Love Notes palette by Beauty Bay and my eye look. If you can see, I used some colors of it. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I used 7 colors out of 20 with this eye look. I think the end result is beautiful, amazing. I really am in love with that shimmer because it is a purple bluish shimmer. Yeah, the eyeliner makes the look complete with the lashes together. I really love this total outcome. So for the lip, I use the Kylie and Stassi 010 Twinning. Yeah, Twinning. High gloss. So because the drama is all on my eyes and I don't need drama on my lips on this point, so that is why I took this one. I really love this. I really love the palette. I love the pigmentation. I love the blendability of it, and even the pastel colors are showing up. So for me, it's a go. I love it. I'm going to use it a lot more. I'm going to put it, I think, in my work kit, and if not, I'm going to buy a second one for my kit, because I have to decide if it stays in my personal kit or in the professional one. So I love it. I think if you love purple, this palette is something for you. You can also make the nude looks with it. I'm going to do that, but if you want to see those looks, just visit my Instagram. All the pictures are there. For now, I want to thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!